Hello, my name's Neville Elstone. I'm the Director of Cumbria Woodlands. I'm coming to you with a 3-minute plant health update in October of 2014. The situation with ramorum this year has been very positive. We've had a small number of outbreaks, normally linked to previous year's infections, and the majority of these outbreaks have been single trees. The rapid response by a range of owners over the last couple of years has almost certainly been linked to the small number of outbreaks this year. That, coupled with the dry season, especially this autumn at the key time of sporulation, hopefully will lead to a similar reduced number of infections next year. Next, I'd like to move on and talk about ash decline, chalara. The map most recently produced by the Forestry Commission at first glance looks very alarming. There's lots of new infections in a triangle between Preston, Clitheroe and Kirkby Lonsdale. However, if you actually look at the detail of it, many of these infections are actually individual infections of small and semi-mature trees, perhaps only killing a branch on a tree. So our message at the moment is one of vigilance really. If you do find a tree that you're suspect of, an ash tree, then do report it using the tree alert scheme, which is available on the Forestry Commission website. And lastly, this isn't a call to action in terms of chainsaws and saws. It's likely that 10% of the ash trees within this country have a natural resistance to ash dieback. We therefore want to see which trees are resistant and leave those to grow and flourish so that in future generations we still have a healthy, viable population of ash. It is, however, a call for woodland management because this gives us an increased diversity of species, an increased diversity of age structure, which gives us more resilient woodlands. Finally, I'd like to talk about Phytophthora austrocedrae, which attacks juniper. There's been one new confirmed case in the Lake District this year, so not a great deal of spread. The main message that comes out here is especially around new planting of juniper. If you are planting new juniper, then it's really important that you follow the guidance. And there has been new guidance just published in October from the Forestry Commission, which is essentially saying make sure that any new planting goes in at some distance from existing juniper woodlands. The real concern is that if you plant new trees, they will infect old woodlands. Therefore, if you plant them upstream, there is a chance that the spores will be washed down to the existing woodlands downstream. This you must be really careful to avoid.